How's it? Listen, I know I've been MIA for a solid bit, guys, but I'm just checking in. Okay, I'm alright, I'm good, I'm well, and I've been a little bit out of it. I truly apologize. I've been a bit out of it. Lots of things happening. Hopefully in the future, soon I can explain everything and content will start coming again and stuff like that. But know that something's cooking, okay? Something's cooking. But anyways, I shot a lot of content over the past few days, not days but weeks actually, and I'm gonna dump it on here. Okay, I'm getting a bit of inspiration from Mr. Nostalgic, where he's doing things and just putting it in a nice type of daily vlog type of setup, but not a daily vlog. So yeah, let me catch you guys up on what I've been catching on pretty much. Yeah, things I've been doing, things that's been happening. I'm gonna try and sum it up in a nice short video. Anyways, hope you're all well. Like, subscribe down below. Hope you like the catch up, and I hope everyone is doing well. I hope everybody's doing well. Oh, what's going on, guys? Oh, check it out there. Stay tuned.
Huh?
Yes, see, bro. Hectic. Safe. Check it, look here. I think my daddy was behind me, but he turned around. Look at it. It's by the garage here, my graveyard. Check here. Well, graveyard both ways. I don't know why my dad didn't go turfle, but what are you gonna do? Because you can't get around Mount View, man, unfortunately. Yes, we must all wait, my bro. All of us must wait. You want to be on my scoff still. Okay, so hello everybody, what's happening, what's going on? It is 3rd of July, 4th of July, and my God, Cape Town is flooding like crazy all over, so there's traffic jams all over the place. Oh my God. You're also. Oh my God. But I didn't give you gap. Yes, see. There is traffic all the way home. Yo guys, it's bad, eh? It's bad. Look at that side. Suddenly the mount is skew. I was trying to shoot. What? Oh boy. Hey, don't be on your phone, guys. Don't be on your phone. I don't know where my father is. So yeah. So Cape Town flooding all over. Even at my place, the water was almost coming in the driveway. So how are you guys doing on this lovely 4th of July? Well, what's the 4th of July? When, you know, taxis driving shit as I possibly can drive, you know. Also got a screw in my wheel because people probably drove fast in the puddle, and it's one of those screws that holds the panels on the bottom of the car. One of those screws in the wheels, you know, it's alright, man. It's just crazy, and people are driving so crap. You gotta be patient and stuff right now. Oh, you gotta be patient and stuff right now. It's all people on the side of the road that maybe got too wet. Rylands I saw is flooded. Belgravia I saw is flooded. Lansdowne, little pot of Lansdowne is flooded. Yo, guys. So now, who do you blame here? It's now flooding all over the place. Like you can't predict this sort of thing. This amount of rain in such a short amount of time. I'm talking about from maybe like 2-ish, 3-ish, all the way up until like 5 or past 5. It was raining bad, like very bad. And everywhere it's low. In any areas where there's drains and stuff is flooded. Who do you blame? You can't blame the government actually, because it's infrastructure. How do you modify drainage? You can't make lower places lower, you can't make higher places higher. Where the drains are going to, you can't. The waterway is going out. Slow as shit. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Jesus Christ, man. Taxi, bro. Yeah. Like, do you have to drive so cuck? The weather is so shit. The roads are completely flooded and you are still driving like bloody taxis. Still driving like fucking taxis. Like, me bro, what? Yes, sus. Stressing in traffic on a Friday evening at 7 o'clock. Are now flooded the roads and shit. Who would have thought? I just thought I'm gonna buy chow, go home, and eat. That was at something to 6. Yeah, and I haven't even gotten into my area yet to know how flooded it is. God, taxi style, so shit. How's it?
Long time no see.
I see you got the what your uncle here, right? How's it, brother? From the back, can the man tell what kind of car this is? From this corner you can't tell. You can't tell. I'm gonna move to the other corner and you can tell. Go. How's it? No. Mustang, boy. Is it a 5.0? It's a 5.0 convertible. Satin black. Yeah, the men like the satin black now.
They love it.
The men like the satin black. Wait, ma, let me check. The uncle is busy rapping. Okay. Ay. Oh, you're going in there? You're doing the what's the name?
Yes.
So this man is like going a color change, like a full color change.
Yeah, it's a full color change, you see.
Oh my word, panels out, new, convertible. Who drives a convertible 5.0? Is it? Nice, really? Mashallah. So we're wrapping this one full on satin black. Yeah, nice, man. So guys, remember, you come to King of Glass, and you can get your car wrapped also, my bro. And you say the maids are like this satin black here. Yeah, so no other funky colors.
I don't know, we just come here, they just see this one satin black, bro. I really don't know.
But okay, it's gonna go hard liquor with the wheels, you know. It's gonna go liquor hard with the wheels. So I'm not like, I don't mind it.
But you see what happens is the people black ones, they rent the stores out.
Oh, so black is the common.
So that's why if you want to do metric bulls,
is it?
Yeah.
Get rather black car.
Black car.
That VIP move, you know.
Everybody wants black car.
Such a nice color though.
Many occasions.
Such a nice car. Mustang Sally, boy. Mustang Sally. The 5.0. It's an auto though, but yeah. Yeah, very cool. I like the way it feels. Love the way it feels. Uncle very busy there. Doing his thing there, bro. Yeah. To submit in a while, my bro.
Very long.
In a fucking while. I'm so busy, guys.
And then when you do come, then
Prakak and then there's nothing really happening. But today we had some mad cars yesterday. Mustang Sally, Kevin, and my brother.
I think this one day we can do a different color. You know that?
Yeah, I was come with funky colors.
Like the same.
Like a groen, a metallic green, a Grigio purple, whatever the fucking Lambo colors are. We get a Lambo color, like a Grigio.
But then they're gonna think to Nigeria.
Oh yeah, that's it. Let's not go there. Nah, quiet. That thing's gonna look cool. Send me a photo or something when it's done.
Yeah.
Then we can see where I'm down between the sun. And over that side we got a... What is it? A GT3?
Nah, the GPS.
GPS. Sorry. Oh, the colors don't show on the camera. It looks more orange. It's like more of a maroon in person. It's like a pinkish purple maroon vibe. Yeah, nice, man. Guys, I haven't been here in a solid while. Some cool cars. Cool cars, man. Wow. That's not getting the love. This one getting the love today.
Yeah, we're just giving him a birthday outfit.
And you guys know I like a good pochai, my bro. A good pochai any time of the day. And the Audi. This color of the wheels. I want my wheels this color.
It does look nice. When I look
What color is this, guys? It's like a super hyper metallic silver. Very cool color. I think that look polished, no? That piece is polished. Yeah, diamond cut that piece. It's silver. I do like a silver wheel, yes. Hey, that one's a busy, man, bro. That one's a busy. So yeah, that's King of Gloss. Liquor busy today. So we just checking the cars out. I'm just here because it was my birthday yesterday. Selamat uncle. Selamat uncle. Correct, man. Guys, this is just something I want to point out this morning. Look at the tail lights on the back of this car. Same car, but both tail lights are not the same. So the one's stoplight is in the middle, the one on the right is on top. The indicator's on top on the left and in the middle on the right. Wow, that's confusing. Why would you do that? Oh, it's working on my nose. Look at it. It's first reactions on this man's 1,000, brother. Yeah. Let's check it. Yay! What imperfection? There's nothing here, bro. Shoo! I'm gonna bust a VTEC for me there now.
Now when you do that, then I was gonna look odd if I do that.
Okay, you're not gonna. Don't bust the VTEC. Don't bust the VTEC. Okay, I'm out. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, and I'm below. Today's been a hectic day. Hectic Friday. Hectic 4th of July. Oi.